Yes guys, welcome back to the new branded video of Divyakant Talks, where we will discuss about the match day preview of Chelsea versus Atletico Madrid. In that I will cover your press conference part, match day preview and match day analysis. Yes, and why Chelsea can win, that will also I will cover your point of view. So if you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe. And before starting the video, I would like to thank all the viewers and subscribers who have made me motivated of their comments, especially the people who have commented. I have taken the screenshots of that, so I will mention a particular persons who I like the comments. So yes, guys, now we will discuss the match day preview. In that, I have divided into three parts. First part is why Chelsea can win, second part is match day analysis, and third part is press conference. So, first part we will go to that why Chelsea can win against Atletico Madrid. First, because Luis Suarez is not in the Champions League mood or Champions League form because he have played 4 games and he could not score a single goal, and the pass percentage is also not good. 68% is the pass percentage. So I don't feel so he's in the good form. And in their attack, they have the two main players, that is Flex and Suarez. I could not foul. Saul is there sometimes, so they don't have that type of good attack or good players. But they are defensively they are quite stronger. We all know they have good DMs, and defensively Savage is there. Trippier and main good players are there. So we didn't find their defense. They are quite stronger. But as compared to Chelsea are quite good, solid team. Attack also, we managed to score the goals, and in defense, we have been quite defensively. Espeliqueta, Thiago Silva, Ben Chilwell, then James, Jorginho. In defense we have, but in attack Kovacic, Mason Mount, Werner. So we have that type of caliber in our team. So and the main factor in our team is Thomas Tuchel. Don't miss that factor. So yes, this type of things we have in our team. So now guys, so yes guys, so now I think in my analysis part, that is first part is our Edouard Mendy factor, because he have a total shot came in the Champions League, that is 16, and he have considered only one goal. First factor. Second part is Giroud. He have played 142 minutes approximately, and he have scored 5 goals. That comes into 24 or 25 minutes. So that is also the main factor in my analysis part. Then the third main and excellent factor comes around that 3 games we won, and 3 games have been drawn against Atletico Madrid. So there is equal games between both the teams, and Atletico Madrid also defeated us 3 times. So that is the main thing we got to know against Atletico versus Chelsea. Though this time we have to be defeat, means we have to play against that team who are quite stronger. According to me, they are not quite stronger, because in La Liga, Barca and Real Madrid are not good in the form. But then also Luis Suarez factor is there. He have scored 16 goal in the La Liga. So we have to keep our motivation, passion, desirefulness, dedication to our training session. So we have to keep all the focus, and we have to focus on the counter attacks. And my formation is, that is 3-4-2-1. That is in the defense. Cesar Azpilicueta, Thiago Silva. In the press conference, Thomas said Thiago Silva is not playing, but I think Thiago is going to start. He's told that he is fit, but he's not attending the training sessions. But I think he is going to start. Then in LCB, left centre back, that is Rudiger is going to play. Jorginho pair is there in the centre back midfielders. In left and right, that is James, and I think so not Marco, because he don't have that much of tackling power and not that much of physique, because we need a good physique in this game. So I think so that Chilwell is going to start today's game. And in the attack, main two attacking midfielder we needed. So in the attacking midfielder, Kai or Callum, but chances of Callum is more, and Mason Mount is 100% guaranteed. All the players and fans, everyone knows that Mason Mount is going to start and Werner, everyone knows that. So this is my formation, and at the end of the video you will get the formation also. So and my analysis is that Luis Suarez and Flex are in the attack, so no one is there. So this is my analysis part. Hope you do like that. If you like, do press the like button so I will get to know. And if you like, do let me know in the comment section. Now we will go and shift it to the press conference part. In the press conference part, we came something clear things about how Thomas loves how much Thomas loves to the Chelsea, why he loves, and I was quite excited with his answer. You may also check it out why he was so appreciating about Chelsea, and he was means appreciating only because he was being passionate about the Chelsea, and he was appreciating the players' behaviors. Then he was telling that here the players are hungry to play. That was the main thing, especially in the previous press conference. Also, he have told about Mason Mount and Callum that they are hungry players. They need to be trained and motivated for encouragement and Kepa. So that things we get to know in the press conference today also. So I don't feel so that because the manager came from PSG from some big team and came managing Neymar, Mbappe. So and so then also he have so down to earth person. We get to know that is excellent, man, excellent. No egoistic, no attitude, and he cleared that Kai and Pulisic is came back to the training session, and I just like that Kai is coming to the training sessions, and that impressed me. And I think so Kai will be going to start next games also, because now he is coming to the training, and relationships are going especially with Kai and with Thomas. There is a relationship because German power, we can find that German power. So that is a good thing, and he was appreciating Luis Suarez also, and he have cleared about Luis Suarez. He have given the contract to the Luis Suarez, that also he have cleared. So how good manager we all know. So after after this, I think so Ancelotti and Mourinho, he's the best manager I quite found for the Chelsea, and I think the great success he will get in the Chelsea. What do you think about Thomas Tuchel? Let me know in the comment section. And if hope you like my content, if you like, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like my content, do let me know in the comment section. So thank you guys, and hope you all are well. Thank you so much.